We're at Accessories International, and this is a product overview on the SW-MOTECH Pro side carriers for the Yamaha XT1200Z. You can find this side carrier at accessoryinternational.com. The Pro side carriers are made of a 2.5mm thick steel construction, and it offers a wide range of compatibility when it comes to different side cases. This includes side cases from SW-MOTECH, Givi, Hepco, and Becker, and more. The carriers give a very close fit to a clean look. The Pro side carriers are built in a tough steel construction, and they're finished with a powder-coated black finish to add an extra layer of toughness. And if you take a look at the mounting points here, they are designed to fit with the OEM mounting points on your motorcycle's frame, so no drilling is required. A direct bolt-on installation will be quick and easy with these side carriers. These Pro side carriers can also be used as a quick release system, or you can replace the quick release fasteners with the standard M8 parts to make it a fixed mounting system without the quick release feature. The SW-MOTECH Pro side carriers are made in Germany. They offer a tough, robust construction, and they give you the utility with both a quick release system or a fixed mounting system to fit your needs. Make sure to order your Pro side carriers from accessoryinternational.com. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.